Welcome to Automotive World, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, detailed specs, and in-depth features of the automotive industry's most exciting vehicles. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated Nissan 350Z 2025, a car that seamlessly blends performance, style, and innovation. The Nissan 350Z 2025 is the newest iteration of a legendary lineup, offering an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, it's equipped with a powerful V6 engine delivering impressive horsepower, ensuring you feel the thrill every time you hit the accelerator. With a finely tuned suspension system, it provides a smooth yet sporty ride, making it perfect for both city drives and winding roads. The transmission options include a precise 6-speed manual and an advanced automatic, catering to both purists and convenience seekers. The exterior design of the 350Z 2025 is a masterpiece, featuring bold lines and an aerodynamic silhouette that speaks to its racing heritage. LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch, while the aggressive grille and sculpted bodywork enhance its dynamic appeal. Customization options such as wheel designs and paint colors allow drivers to tailor the car to their preferences. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for comfort and performance. Premium materials, supportive seats, and a driver-focused layout create an immersive experience. The advanced infotainment system is equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and a premium audio setup, ensuring every journey is enjoyable. Practical features like dual-zone climate control and ample cargo space make it as functional as it is stylish. Safety is a priority in the Nissan 350Z 2025. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, it includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies provide peace of mind whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on the highway. The 350Z also embraces modern connectivity with over-the-air updates, allowing the car to receive the latest software improvements without a visit to the dealership. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized, making it not just a performance car but a practical daily driver. For enthusiasts, the Nissan 350Z 2025 offers a range of performance packages, including sport-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and enhanced aerodynamics. These options allow drivers to push the limits and personalize the car's performance to their liking. Thank you for tuning into Automotive World, where we bring you the best insights into the latest vehicles and automotive trends. If you enjoyed this review of the Nissan 350Z 2025 and want to stay updated on more reviews, specs, and features, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.